Hey guys, Sarah back at it again. So if you see me in the same clothes, I filmed a video on the way back. I filmed a recent video giving you guys all an update on how my fertility appointment went, and it is the same day. So a few things I didn't talk about in that video are just pertaining to me and the symptoms and stuff that I've been feeling. I have had quite I'm out of breath again. I just ran up the stairs and I'm feeling so out of breath. But I've had a number of symptoms since I ovulated this month, or at least so I think, because I really did not use OPK strips because I'm just trying to. I feel like I was trying not to stress myself out, and I haven't been. But a lot of you guys think that I am, and it's just so like. Anyways, this is my personal journey, and it was just a decision that I made to not check. But the irony is this month is the month that I did go to see a fertility clinic. And oh, if you guys are wondering what I'm filming on my phone because it's not filming day. This is very impromptu because I was actually just about to test to see if I could detect early pregnancy using an OPK strip, because that's what I just read real quick in a form in my attempts to figure out some stuff about myself and research about what I'm experiencing in my personal body, okay? But so that's what I'm about to do. So that's why I'm filming with this. But yeah, a lot of you guys think that I'm stressed, and I really am not. I'm trying my best to let you guys know I'm not. But I do think just like anyone else, and I just like second guess stuff or question stuff. My body, this month I'm feeling a ton of symptoms. I felt twinges yesterday, day 4. I felt twinges. I don't know if that's an early time to feel twinges, but I was feeling them, and I was feeling them down there to the left. And I remember like it lasted maybe about 30 seconds, and then it just subsided, and I was like, oh, okay, because I don't usually feel that. It was something a little different than what I think, I don't know. I just don't recall really ever feeling that. Then I have been having, so this is TMI, but I've been having creamy white CM. I feel like there have been months that passed where I did have that too, but it's not common. It doesn't happen all the time. And I'm trying to think if the month when I felt like I had it was when I felt like I had a chemical. I don't know, I'm not sure. But I feel like it's just so wet down there. It's just so and yeah, it's just really wet down there, and I feel like I need to run and check myself. And I do remember this happening when I was pregnant with my youngest daughter. So I decided to kind of do a little research, though I know that using CM to completely gauge whether or not I'm pregnant is not ideal. But after ovulation, for most women, CM does typically dry up. I know all of our bodies are different, so I know that it may not be the same for everyone, but I don't recall the past couple of months being like this kind of damp down there after just after ovulation has passed. Now, to properly gauge whether or not I ovulated, that's to be like determined, because I didn't fully check using an OPK, but I felt like my body did its thing, because when I ovulated, I did see the signs. I know my physical body. I've learned to know my physical body. I feel like over the past few months, I've been trying to not weigh so much on all the things that are there, but rather more on my intuition and my intelligence about my own body, understanding how things work and function and know what to expect during certain times. And I feel like I've gotten more familiar with myself. This is happening at 35. It's never too late, but good grief. Like this is like 4 kids down, and I'm just learning these things. So anyways, in the midst of going through a form, I came across an information that says at 5 days post, you should possibly be able to detect it. They didn't even use the word possibly, even though I know people kind of throw information out there, and it's just information. But it says that at 5 days post, if you're pregnant, the OPK strips, if it's positive, could basically detect early pregnancy. And so that's what I'm going to check today. I'm just going to go ahead and use the one from my Easy Home kit. I don't even know how many I have left. I'm like, my kit is all done. So in the new year, if I'm still on this journey, I will probably order another kit. I'm still debating because I just don't know. Or the one my girlfriend sent me, I like that one too. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. So hold on. I'm going to go take this test and we're going to wait and see what happens. And then we'll wait and see if anything happens. I'm curious. I didn't check to see if I ovulated, but I'm using the ovulation test to see if I'm pregnant. Yeah, so obviously this is the same day after going to the fertility clinic. I've had a little moment where, if you guys saw that video before, where I feel like I was just kind of having almost like a mini, I was just so anxious, not having an anxiety attack, but I was just very overwhelmed after coming from the clinic. It's about 2 hours later, and I've had a discussion with hubby, who is like amazing and just being able to support me, and just kind of, he's just like, babe, you know, like, you're okay. You know, you and I both want this, and like, he was so supportive. And because like, it's just a lot, you know, it's just a lot of things that you got to go through and do, and it's not always things that you look forward to doing. I'm not looking forward to doing the HSG, but I'm a G. I can survive this. I'm a grown woman. I do have 4 kids, so I should be able to manage a little HSG test. It's just out of the way, and it's just more time, and it's time consuming, but you know, I'm okay. I will survive. Okay, so let's see this baby. Okay, y'all. So this is what I'm seeing so far on this test. Okay. Like, is this what you typically see? I don't know what to expect. I really don't. From what I recall, these ovulation strips are supposed to show some line all the time, but I can't tell if this is like a positive. It's so ambiguous. Like, it's very ambiguous. I do see a line. And I feel like it's so early to actually use a pregnancy test. Can we? I don't know. I feel like it's super early to try a pregnancy test, but maybe I'll use one to compare. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use one of these. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and I tested using the pregnancy test, but I don't know. I don't think I'm seeing anything yet. I feel like it's so early. It's so early to be doing this. Like, I see something, but it could just be the indent line because it's just too early to detect anything. So I'm not going to think that's anything. But, like, why is this thing looking semi-positive? It's not super dark, but why is it looking like this, though? That's crazy. I don't recall it being that dark. I don't recall it usually being this dark. So is this a sign? I think this could be an early sign. I don't know. How cool would that be if I detected my pregnancy early using an ovulation strip? I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. Now I'm gonna go do some. Now I'm gonna go look to see what they look like when they're positive. Oh, I don't know. What are they supposed to look like when they're not positive? That's weird. I don't know. Now I'm just confused. So yeah, because I don't think I'm ovulating anytime now, even though I didn't take my test then. I'm pretty sure I ovulated already, but it's just one of those things. So anyways, guys, if you guys are on this journey, let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've ever used an OPK strip to test for pregnancy. And if so, did it ever was it ever positive? No, I would love to hear from you guys. Also, how do you guys like my glasses? Just got them. They're new and I really like them. Woohoo. Anyways, I'm pretty pumped to be starting this journey, though I'm a little anxious and a little overwhelmed. I think it's getting better as time progresses, and I'm just kind of excited to know what's up and to know where we're going. So thank you guys for those of you who've been following my journey and who've been rocking with me and showing support and love and encouragement, guys. I think your encouragement goes it does go a long way, and I pray and hope that I'm encouraging you guys through this journey as well. Hope for those of you guys that are new, or for those of you that want to continue to see my journey, I hope you enjoy following me along on this newfound journey. It's like a new year, a new journey, I guess, in terms of discovering what's going on with my body and knowing where to go from there. So yeah, it's going to be, I have a series of tests, and I'll take you along with you and update you guys as I'm going through them. Yeah, just to keep you all posted, to let you know what's going on. Because through finding help for myself or finding out things on myself, I can share my journey and give you guys all, love and encouragement too. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. And until next time, sorry, I had to glance at OPK strip one more time to see. But until next time, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like today's video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and much love, y'all.